Before making a purchase decision about MRPeasy, it's important to understand what this software brings to the table, especially compared to other manufacturing ERP solutions. MRPeasy is an all-in-one cloud-based ERP tool designed for small and mid-sized manufacturers, but before you dive in, let's explore the 7 things you need to know. First off, MRPeasy offers a comprehensive set of features that covers everything from inventory management to production planning and order management. Unlike other ERP software that can get complicated with too many features, MRPeasy is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for manufacturers to quickly get up and running. Next thing, let's talk about integration. MRPeasy integrates well with a variety of third-party applications, including accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. If you've struggled with other ERP solutions that don't play nice with your existing software, MRPeasy stands out with its solid integration capabilities, ensuring smoother operations and less hassle. The third thing to know is the pricing model. Compared to some of its competitors, MRPeasy offers a more affordable solution for small manufacturers. Many ERP systems require you to commit to long-term contracts or pay a hefty upfront cost. MRPeasy provides a straightforward subscription-based pricing model, which means you can scale your usage without breaking the bank. The fourth thing is support. With MRPeasy, you get access to a dedicated support team, and they're known for being responsive and helpful. This is a huge advantage over some competitors that leave you stranded with limited customer service hours or slow response times. Plus, they offer a knowledge base and helpful tutorials to make sure you get the most out of the software. Now, let's move to a crucial point: customization. While MRPeasy isn't as customizable as some of the high-end ERP systems out there, it still offers a decent level of flexibility for small manufacturers. You can customize certain parts of the software to suit your business needs, but if you're looking for highly tailored enterprise-level customizations, MRPeasy might fall short compared to other systems. The sixth thing you need to know is scalability. MRPeasy is specifically designed for small to mid-sized businesses, so if you're a larger enterprise, you might outgrow the software over time. Competitors like NetSuite or SAP may offer better scalability for big businesses, but for small manufacturers looking to streamline their processes, MRPeasy offers the right balance of functionality and cost. Finally, one of the best things about MRPeasy is the free trial they offer. You can give the software a go without any commitment, which is a great way to test whether it suits your needs before committing long term. Many ERP solutions don't give you a chance to experience their platform before buying, making MRPeasy a standout option for first-time ERP users. If you want to give MRPeasy a shot, don't forget to click the first link in the description below. You can get an exclusive free trial that lets you test out all of its features with no risk. So, whether you're considering MRPeasy for the first time or looking to switch from another ERP system, make sure you take advantage of the free trial and see how it can benefit your manufacturing business. That's everything you need to know about MRPeasy before making a decision.